What's up, boy? So we got some new meat birds. They're a week old now, so that's 1 week. I'm gonna give them some more food and water, and then we're gonna go outside. I'll show you what we're doing today. All right. Make sure I didn't crush one. These jokers are greedy, boy. The last 2 go-rounds that I had with meat birds, I've been having to put like rocks. You know how normally you put pebbles in here? I never had to do that before. Like never had to do that before. But seeing these last 2 batches I had, the last batch I had, them jokers was just in it. Cause I never had to do this, but now I suggest put rocks in your waterer, the base of the waterer, so they won't jump in there and die. You understand? Cause they just find ways to kill themselves. I guess I'm the birdhouse guy now. That's all right. I got the people at Peck Perk sent me a smart feeder, a smart bird feeder. So we're gonna make a video about this soon. I just want to bring this out here. But yeah, and they also got some wild bird seed, Flaming Hot Feast. Supposed to be pretty good, so we're gonna do that. But I just got a little bit of work to do out here in the chicken yard. So we're gonna be doing that. I figured I'll make a video, I'll take you out of it, all right? I gotta take all this down. So that's what we're gonna be doing today. Because as y'all saw those meat birds, I gotta get them out here no later than next week. They're gonna outgrow that little bin. I put them in there just so they can have somewhere to be at. So I'm kind of running a little behind, but you know, it is what it is. So we're gonna take this netting down. Well, at least take all this down and move it. It's a part of what I'm trying to do. We're done with that. Now they can get all through that. I'm scared to look in here. I ain't open this up since. My boy Thug. I should use it again. We're gonna use it for something though. I'm thinking about getting quail again. So that's what we might do with that. What y'all think? Quail? Yeah? Quail, yeah! I'm sorry. So yeah, appreciate y'all for tuning in. I'm done for the day. Next couple of videos I'm gonna show y'all me building the hoop coop, and then we're gonna finish it. We're still gonna clean up a lot of this stuff. Progress on the meat birds. We got to build trellises for the raspberries and blackberries. We got to fence it in. So it's a bunch of work we still got to do. So y'all stay tuned. Appreciate y'all. To the next one.